You guys gonna be running the gun tonight. No, they all be about me.
Filling up my vacation fund this year. I worked 3 months straight. I need like a weekend or something.
Hey, like they kind of said, you gotta start spending for them. Yeah. You told me that the other day.
That'd be a bad idea for Eddie and Eric.
What year is your bike, sir?
2013 Yamaha R1.
Do you have any work done to the engine?
That I know of, a Cotsman's exhaust. That's it.
Yeah, it sounded pretty sweet, man.
Yeah.
That thing ramps quick.
Yeah.
It's good power, though, man. It was pretty awesome.
Sure.
Is those the numbers you think it was going to put out?
Around there, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's good, man. Good bike.
Thank you.
I'm a Yamaha fan.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job. Hey, how do you like your dad's bike? You like your dad's bike? Pretty bad. I love it, man. You must be. Oh, you shut me out. See you, guy.